Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Fiverr gig optimization tips, strategies to help your gigs stand out, attract more clients, and increase your orders. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. First, let's focus on your gig title. Make it clear, concise, and keyword rich. Clients should immediately understand what service you're offering. Avoid vague titles. Be specific about the result or service, like, I will design a professional logo in 24 hours, instead of just logo design. Next, your gig description is crucial. Write in a friendly, professional tone and explain exactly what clients will get. Break your description into short paragraphs for readability and include keywords that potential clients might search for. Highlight your skills, experience, and why clients should choose you over others. Images and videos matter too. Use high-quality visuals to showcase your work. For design, writing, or digital services, add examples of previous projects. Fiverr also allows gig videos, which can boost visibility and credibility. A short, engaging video explaining your service can make clients feel more confident hiring you. Then, consider your gig packages and pricing. Offer clear, tiered packages with different levels of service. Make sure each package has defined deliverables and timelines. Competitive pricing is key, especially for new freelancers, but don't undervalue your work. You can always increase rates as your reviews grow. Another tip is to use relevant tags and categories. Fiverr's search relies on these, so pick the most accurate keywords and categories for your service. This helps your gig appear in front of the right audience and increases your chances of getting orders. Finally, deliver excellent service and collect reviews. Optimizing your gig isn't just about setup. Consistent quality and communication build trust. Positive reviews improve your ranking and make future clients more likely to hire you. In short, Fiverr gig optimization comes down to a clear title, engaging description, high-quality visuals, strategic pricing, accurate tags, and excellent service. Follow these tips, and you'll see more clients and orders coming your way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are starting on Fiverr, and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.